The second one. Here I think we need to experiment a bit more. So I love using those stands. They are very versatile. They are good for many different purposes. And here what I want to try is fixing stone with the wire. So it's either this way or this way. I'm asking my little helper to come and hold the stone for me, because this is definitely something where I need help. Yeah, we can say hello to all the people who are watching. So she's super nice and very helpful. Okay, I'm trying to avoid having the visible wire. No, we can leave it like this, or we can put another stone maybe, because we had this wonderful one. Maybe behind, because this one can stand on its own, or in front. We will see. So let's leave it now for a moment outside. Here the thought was to create a waterfall. There are those Amaranth flowers. They are very long, very nice, slightly different shades, so lighter ones, darker ones, and the idea was to have base kind of hidden behind, but it's a natural color base. It's okay if it's a little bit visible, and then have the waterfall come like around and in front of the stone. And you know, I feel like this is a little bit too long. So what I will do, I will extend the stem with a little bit of a branch. So it is a tip for the situations like this. So it will still be in water, so the flower could still drink, but it will be a bit taller, so we're not touching the table. And then I want to add those other colors. I remember in the very beginning, when I just started my Ikebana blog, I made a challenge for the folks to arrange a landscape inspired Ikebana, and the landscape was something with a waterfall, so I think that would have fit perfectly into that. So, and here I think if we are actually seeing this part of the arrangement, that's important to make that look nice, the lines here, so that they're kind of aligned between themselves. I am looking for something to go here, maybe the same flower as we used in the first arrangement. So maybe we can get this flower somehow in the picture to soften this portion. Maybe with smaller ones. Yeah, I think I'd be happier if there is a bit more cover for this part of the arrangement. And the space inside of the vase is very, very small, so there's not much we can add there. I think this is a bit softer. All right, so that is the overall shape. Can a little bit play with the second stone, so putting it in or not, that's the choice. But maybe adding some depth here so that the waterfall goes like not into nowhere, but there is something behind. So here it is, the final version of the arrangement with 2 large rocks and a waterfall of amaranth flower. Did you like it? If you did, don't forget to click the little like sign so that I would know, and leave your comments. In case you have arrangements of your own of this kind of using rocks, please share with me. I'd be very happy to see them. And don't forget to subscribe and set the notifications, the little bell icon. If you click on that, you will be notified when I post my next videos. Until next time, bye!